How to start Amazon dropshipping with Shopify. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use it to dropship your products from Shopify onto Amazon. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to shopify.com, and once you're here, all you have to do is just simply create an account and then create your products, and then you can start selling them over here on Shopify, and you can integrate them onto Amazon and sell them over there as well. So let's just get right into it. So click on start free trial, and over here just simply enter in your email address, password, and your store name, and then simply click on create your store. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, I've just entered in my email and password and entered in the name of my store, and now it's asking me a little bit questions. So over here, are you already selling? So I'm just playing around. I'm not selling products yet. I sell with a different system. I'm just playing around. What is your current revenue? Zero. I'm just getting started. Which industry will be you operating in? So over here, just simply enter in the category that you want to sell your products in. So for example, clothing. Click on next, and now once we're over here, just fill out all this information: your location, your address, your phone number, your business email or website, whatever they are asking for. And then if you want to, that this store is a registered business, if you want to check this button. If you have a registered business, you can check this button. If you don't, you can leave it blank and then just simply enter my store. So I'm going to go ahead and fill all this out, and I will see you guys in the next step. So as you can see right now, in my store, and over here it's telling us to add our products. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some products and create them as well. So over here we have to enter in the title, the description, and add the product name and stuff like that, and then the pricing and other stuff. And once we've done that, we can just go ahead and add those over onto Amazon as well. So now I have my files ready. Let me just upload them as well. So over here, let's just click on this one. This is going to be our main media file. We can add more as well. Let me just copy this image, this one, this one, this one, and yep, I think we're good. Click on open, wait for them to upload, and once they've done, we can leave it as it is. So now what we have to do now is we have to enter in a small title for it. So let's just say it's a long sleeve t-shirt, and in the description we can specify what kind of product it is, what kind of fabric it uses, the logo and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna write it's a black shirt with a white skull on it, and that's basically it. Now for the pricing, we need to enter in a fair amount of price. So I think this could go for at least 1500 rupees. Compare at price, cost per item should be at least 700. Yeah, and the compare at price, which means entered in our cost per item, we can then enter in the inventory, and over here we have to enter in SKU, stock keeping unit, and barcodes. And then down below we can continue selling when out of stock as well if you want to, and then we can add in the quantity and stuff like that. And then this product has multiple options like different sizes and stuff like that, and you can have that as well. So once you have added them, you can save them, and once you have added your first product, we are now ready to go over to Amazon. Now what I want you guys to do is come over down below on the left side, and over here you see sales channels. Click on sales channels. So once we're over here, what I want you guys to do is add Amazon, and as you can see, it's not over here. So what I want you guys to do is come down below, and over here, if you don't see your channel you're interested in, visit the Shopify app store. And once you click on this link, it'll take you over to their Shopify app store, and over here you can find the Amazon app. If you scroll down below, it will have the name Amazon by Codisco. This is the new Amazon sales channel. So click on Amazon by Codisco, and over here just simply click on add app. Now what this basically will do, it'll basically link our Shopify account to our Amazon account, and we can go ahead and do that. So over here what we have to do is just simply add our sales channel. But before we do that, we have to go over to Amazon and create an account. So basically we have to create a shop, because if we're drop shipping our items onto Amazon, then we need to be registered as a seller onto Amazon as well. It makes sense. So come over to Amazon, and over here just simply click on the sign up button, and once you sign up, you will have to pay $39.99 a month, so plus selling fees. Now remember guys, they don't have any kind of hidden fees or stuff like that. They basically just take this fee as a subscription for a month, as a monthly subscription. They basically take this amount as a monthly subscription, so you don't have to pay other fees as well. So like taxes, and you don't have to pay the other vendors the cost of the material, the production of the material of the product and stuff like that. So all of that, Amazon does that on their own. You just have to pay the monthly subscription fee, and that is basically it. Keep that in mind when signing up onto Amazon as a seller. So once you click on sign up, and over here all you have to do is basically enter in your details. But since I've already entered it, I'm gonna go ahead and sign in, and I'll catch you guys in the next step. So once you have signed in onto Amazon Seller Central account, all you have to do is you have to complete these 4 steps to create your own shop onto Amazon and be registered as a seller. So the first thing that we have to do is enter in our individual information and personal information, such as our names, our identification cards, our address, and our number. Once you have confirmed that this is the correct address and stuff like that, you can just simply click on next. After that, all you have to do is add in some of the billing information, such as your credit card, because they are going to be asking for $39.99, but for the first month, it is going to be free. But after your monthly trial has been over, your free trial is over, they will cut like $39.99 from your credit card or debit card or whatever card that you've entered. So be sure you remember that. You will continue to be charged with this fee each month if you have an active listing. If you don't have an active listing, you will not be charged a subscription fee in that month. If you have expanded to sell in other stores, you will pay the equivalent of $39.99 per month and split the proportionately across each country or region in which you have an active listing and charge separately in each local currency. And you can also downgrade at any time. You don't have to worry about that. So once you have entered in your credit card or debit card, just simply click on next. After that, all you have to do is just enter in your store's name. And if you have a universal product code or UPCs for all the products, simply click on yes. If you don't, simply click on no. And if you are the manufacturer or the brand owner of any of the products that you are selling on Amazon, then just simply choose yes or no or some of them. Depending upon your answer, it'll give you more options if you want, but I've selected no, and I'm gonna click on next. And after that, you will have to fill out this form. And now over here, all you have to do is enter in your name, your date of birth, the country of your birth, citizenship, and then identity data. And then you will have to upload a identity document. Basically, I just uploaded my national ID card, and then over here add in your business address, and then add more additional documentations for verifications, such as a bank statement or a credit card statement, however you feel like it. And if they are approved, then you will be able to move on to the 4th step. Now this takes some time. For me, it took like 4 days, and after that they said they weren't able to verify my documents. I tried again, it still didn't work, and then I tried another 3rd time. I uploaded different documentations, I uploaded more documentations, and I uploaded more detailed versions of my bank statement, but they still didn't verify it. So unfortunately, I can't move past the verification to the 4 steps. But if you can move past it, then you're basically done. After that, you just have to upload some of your products that you have, and then your store will be set up. And once you have set up your store, you can just go ahead and click on add to sale channels, and you can link your Amazon account to your Shopify account, and then you can sell your Shopify products onto Amazon. And that is basically it. That is it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.